Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve error code 0x800703e6. The Windows update failed. Your device is missing important security and quality fixes. There were problems installing some updates, but we'll try again later. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select other troubleshooters. And then you want to select underneath most frequent, the Windows Update troubleshooter, and then select the run button. And it was able to resolve it. Hopefully it was able to fix it at this time. Something else we can try as well, you open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's an SFC scan, system file checker utility. And go ahead and just right click on the top bar of the command prompt once you've copied it. Select edit and then paste it in, hit enter. It will take a couple minutes to run the scan, so please be patient. Okay, so you can see that Windows Resource Protection did find corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video and then paste it into the command prompt the same way we did the first one, at the DISM command this time, and then hit enter. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and then you want to restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.